Hey guys, welcome back to my daily vlogmas. It's never ending. Okay, so today I was going to update you on some of my root growth from my propagations I took exactly a week ago today. But guess what? There's none. I have some here. Zero root growth there. On this Hoya, nada. So I'm thinking I kind of underestimated. Nope, that's not the word. I overestimated these plants. They need a little bit more time. They need a little bit more TLC. I will say that I took the Monstera Peru and put it into a propagation box because I wanted to cut my losses. I didn't want to put that plant through so much stress. It's not going to root in water anytime soon. We all know this. They don't like to root in water. Even though I've done it before, it just took a long time. So I stuck it in a prop box. And speaking of prop boxes, since we have no roots to show today, I thought we could pot up some plants today in lecca. Now, since I showed you these before, they've gotten bigger. Look at this pasta xanum. How gorgeous is this leaf? Like, wow. Wow. So I'm going to pot up both of my pasta xanums I have in here. I'm going to snip off the dead stuff because there is still some dead stuff in there. And then I'm also going to pot up this wendlandii here in another pot. And then I think my Regale is ready. There is that new leaf right there that you couldn't see last Friday. See it? She's there. This is growing. This is happy. I just hope that all these plants are just as happy in lecca because that's what they're going into. So now today I'm going to put them in lecca, but I'm going to only add water to the reservoir because I don't want to shock them with nutrient water right away. It's pretty much the safe way to go about transitioning a plant from either soil or spag or whatever you're rooting your plants in over to lecca so that they don't go into shock. I'm terrified. I did say that I was going to pot these pasta xanums in soil, but I've changed my mind, folks. So we're going to see how this goes. Okay, first I want to do the wendlandii. Sorry, Jay's got his camera set up for me, so I don't want to move it. So I'll bring the plant to you. Look at that. Look at that root system there. She cute. Ooh, and there's already a new piece of growth coming in there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but look at how beautiful this plant is. Gorgeous. Okay, I'm just going to rinse some of the spag off of these roots, which is much easier than soil, might I add. Look at that. Okay, so I have a little pot here. We're going to pot it up, and then I'm going to show you when we're done. How cute is that, you guys? Look. Yay, she has a home now. So I'm just gonna fill this up with some water. Please don't die on me now. This has a window in it so I can see when, like, where the water level is. Okay, so now I'm going to leave it in here. I'm gonna wait about a week and then I'm gonna see how the roots are doing. If the roots look good, we're gonna give her some nutrients. 1 down, 2 to go. Now I think I'm gonna do my Regale here because those pasta xanums, they're rooted in there, so it might take me a minute to get them out, but let's... Okay, wow, is this all root? Holy moly. Let's see. Look at that. When I put this in that container, there was hardly no roots attached to this. I really thought it was going to die, but it... Oh, this is spag. Okay. Oh, but look at that. Very, very nice. I'm going to give it a little rinse. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. There we go. This is that new leaf that we couldn't see last Friday. I'm excited for this to grow because Travis, Plants to Coop, is who actually sent this to me. He said once they start, they don't stop. So we're going to put this in there, pot it up. Now, is this not the most adorable thing you ever did see? 3 little baby leaves. 3 little baby Regale leaves. All right. There we go. Cute. All right, now let's get this pasta xanum out of here. Okay, we're just gonna gently lift and shake. Okay, wow. We wanna be careful here. Don't wanna break any roots. I also know this has been buried for a while. Look at that. Look at that. Guys, oh, this went in there with nothing. Okay, 3 beautiful roots there. Now, I think I'm gonna leave this leaf, even though it's It's that. It has this beautiful leaf growing from it. And this leaf is not dead. It's hardened off. It just has a rip in it. So I think I'm just going to leave it because it's not an unhealthy leaf. It's just damaged. We're all a little damaged. So we're going to leave it alone and hope that a new leaf springs out of this newest leaf here. But how beautiful is that? Wow. Wow, wow, wow. Okay, we have one there. I'm going to grab the other one out of here because they're getting potted together. Potted together. It's my podcast. If you don't already know, I have a podcast with Adam and Mecca. Go check it out. And it's called Potted Together. And that was not a planned thing I did there. Okay, this has a very tuberous, barky stem and a lot more roots. Look at that. Thick with 2 C's. Look at that. All right, and the newest leaf there. Not taking any of these off. I think that the dead leaf fell off. Yeah, that was the dead leaf. So I think we're good. I'm gonna rinse these leaves. Oh my gosh, this is so cool. Okay, so we're going to pot them up in here like so. Okay, there she is. Looking very pretty. Ooh, I'm terrified. I'm gonna keep a very close eye on this plant and hopefully she's happy. Give it some water. And we're good to go. All right, guys, look at that. We have the pasta xanum, the Regale, and the wendlandii. Now I gotta make some labels for these guys. All right, guys, well, that's it. One other thing I wanted to touch base on really quick before I ended this video, because I never talk about it, and I've recently got some DMs and some questions on it. If you don't know about memberships, I'm gonna tell you about it. You can join memberships on my channel and you'll get some extra perks. So if you're interested, just click over on that join button from the home screen, like from my main screen. You can click on join and you can pick any one of the memberships that you'd like. Each one has different perks, so be sure to check it out. And there's also a link in the description below that says join my channel. You can click there too. It's a little bit easier that way. All right, guys, thanks again, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye. Is that a weird ending? I don't know. We're rolling with it.
Hold up, I am on my way. I'm in motion. Let's go to the ocean. Yeah, let's go.